Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to make a beautiful flower. Fold the paper as shown in the video. Again repeat the same process. Cut the paper as shown in the video. Now bend the edges of the flower using a pen or a circle-edged object. Take a piece of paper and cut it into a circle shape. Now stitch this circle in center of the flower. Make the marking design using a pen to the circle-shaped paper. That's it, our paper flower is completed.